learned about polynomial functions, and you learned about how to decide whether it's a polynomial function, and then how to write it in standard form and figure out the degree and the type and the list coefficient. So when we look at number one, in order for it to be a polynomial function, remember we can't have any negative exponents, or that kind of also means that we can't have any letters in the denominators. So when we look at all the exponents there, all the exponents seem to be whole nice numbers. So this is a polynomial function. We have to put it in standard form, which means we have to start out with the highest exponent, which is x to the fourth power, and then we're going to put it in decreasing order. So the next one will be 8x to the third, and then 5/3 x squared, and then x, and then our constant, minus 1/2. The degree for this would be the fourth degree, the highest exponent, and that means that this would be a quartic function, and the leading coefficient would be negative radical 7. Number two, it looks like they are all positive exponents, but this x in the denominator means that it originally was x to the negative 1, and so that actually means that this is not a polynomial function. And then look at number three. Again, our exponents are all positive numbers, which is great. So if we put this in standard form, we're going to start with the highest coefficient, which is the highest exponent, which is x to the fourth. So we're going to start with 6x to the fourth, then minus 4x to the third, then plus 1/2 x squared, then plus 3x, and then minus 1. Degree is a fourth degree. The type is a quartic, and the leading coefficient is 6. Alright, down at the bottom we want you to evaluate for the given x value. Most of you will probably do this in the calculator, but if you don't, you can, or you should be able to do this in your head. You're going to substitute in a 5 wherever the x is, so you use parentheses if you're using the calculator. So in this case, we're doing 5 squared, which is 25, then multiplying it by 2, which is 50, and then subtracting 9, which would be 41. Do not forget your order of operations. For number 5, we're going to have negative 4 in parentheses cubed plus 3 times 4 in parentheses squared plus 9. So again, you can do this in the calculator, put it in exactly the way you see it there, including the parentheses, or you can do this in your head. 4 cubed is 64, and then when I multiply it by a negative 1, I get negative 64. 4 squared is 16, and when I multiply it by 3, I get 48, and that's 9. If you add all of that together, you should get negative 16 plus 9, negative 7. And then for the last one, we're going to put it in a negative 2, so 3 times negative 2 in parentheses to the fourth power, minus 2 times negative 2 in parentheses, plus 1. So negative 2 to the fourth